Alright, these are going to be the elevators at 603 Stewart Street, the historic Lloyd building in downtown Seattle. Look at what we got. Look at that. This car down. Let's get a view of the inside of the cab. Very interesting shape. Otis Cito. Basement. Basement. Alright, let's go to 10. Whoa, well that was a hard start. Car up on 10. Whoa. ADA compliant phone. Wow, look at this. SchindlerHaughton. I'm guessing they maintain it. Going down?
Yep.
What floor?
1. This is the button panel you use.
Oh, I'm just doing a video of these elevators. They're vintage.
Yeah. I sort of figured with a little bump out like they have, yeah.
On 1. Epic leveling. Watch this leveling. Wow. Here in the basement. Alright. Viewed the cabs. Again, really interesting shape for an elevator. There's your interlock. Alright, up to 10. Here we are on 10. Down to the basement. Here's a view of these beautiful fixtures. Otis heat sensitive touch button, square. All right, here's gonna be an impact cam of this classic leveling here. All right, back up to 10 we go. Wow. Send you to B. Gonna get a view of the cab going down. Very, very nice elevators. Now watch this. Oh, they didn't cancel out. Oh well. Get the other one. Probably because they're so fast I pushed it too late. My bad. That one. 10. Wow. This is 10th floor. That's the mail slot. Wow. It's a really nice building. All right. Love that button. These old doors up here. One came. Oh, hello. Could exit down here. I'm just an elevator fan. These are pretty cool vintage elevators.
Very old.
Do you know what year they were put in?
No idea.
But yeah, they are vintage, definitely. On one, look, touch sensitive. Yep, and see, there's your call station. There's your lantern. And there it goes. And that's gonna be it. Look at this letterbox. And that's it.